She tell you for meet her?
Yeah, she tell me something for me to... Oh, sorry.
Oh,
You look nice.
thank you.
You too.
You look nice too.
You know?
Like the pants.
Come out of the work clothes on. Yeah. Tell me something. You tell Destiny say you come today?
No, I never tell her.
What?
You wicked, eh? Why you never tell her?
Me just do a surprise.
So she walk out of the house, vexed this morning.
Kinda, but I want to see the look on her face first.
Me want to see the look on her
I
face.
see you too. So gonna be surprised.
But here what, guys? Come out of the road. Here what? Today is not about work. Today is about relaxing and we have done a lot. Alright, so after this, we are going to incognito. Them have domino tournament. You don't know
Domino?
that? Yeah.
I can't
So-
play domino, I'm going to have a match.
Them not play that. Not play that.
Yeah, but you
Yeah,
get,
you
you get
get
what I mean, like for real, you understand me? So
Yeah, I
for real
get
the
it.
game.
Yeah, get sick.
I don't get it, man, I'm not afraid, man. I don't know.
Alright, after that, then we're going to just chillax a little bit at the house. And then we're treating to a play.
Yeah, we saw you go watch play.
Alright, so what do you play?
That's our surprise. You know, come.
You see? And I'm here alone one surprise. So.